Are you still saying very good or very happy? Stop it now. Using very makes your English sound basic. Today, I'll teach you 50 powerful alternatives so you sound fluent and natural. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing lessons. Using very too often weakens your sentences. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very cold, say freezing. These small changes make a huge difference in how natural your English sounds. By the end of this video, you'll know 50 better words to replace very, and I'll test you with a fun quiz. So stay tuned. Positive words. Let's start with positive words. Instead of very good, try superb, excellent, outstanding. Instead of very happy, try ecstatic, overjoyed, jubilant. Instead of very smart, use brilliant, intelligent, sharp. Instead of very beautiful, try stunning, gorgeous, breathtaking. Instead of very strong, say powerful, sturdy, mighty. Now, let's replace very in negative situations. Very bad, terrible, awful, horrendous. Very sad, heartbroken, devastated, miserable. Very angry, furious, enraged, livid. Very weak, feeble, fragile, delicate. Very boring, dull, lifeless, tedious. Weather and emotions also sound better without very. Very cold, freezing, chilly, icy. Very hot, scorching, boiling, blazing. Very tired, exhausted, drained, worn out. Very excited, thrilled, elated, overjoyed. Very calm, serene, tranquil, peaceful. Let's talk about size and speed. Very big, huge, massive, gigantic. Very small, tiny, petite, miniature. Very fast, swift, rapid, speedy. Very slow, sluggish, lethargic, delayed. Very hard, challenging, tough, demanding. Instead of saying very loud or very easy, use these words: very loud, deafening, thunderous, booming; very quiet, silent, hushed, muted; very careful, cautious, vigilant, meticulous; very easy, simple, effortless, straightforward, very bright, luminous, radiant, dazzling. Finally, let's talk about taste and texture. Very tasty, delicious, flavorful, mouth-watering. Very dirty, filthy, creamy, messy. Very fancy, elegant, luxurious, sophisticated. Very light, airy, feather-light, weightless. Very soft, fluffy, cushy, velvety. Now let's test what you have learned. I'll say a sentence with very and you replace it with a stronger word. For example, this coffee is very hot. What did you say? Scorching or boiling? Okay. Second sentence, that movie was very boring. Did you say dull? She was very happy with the surprise. Did you say overjoyed? Now, write your answers in the comment section. Now that you have these powerful words, try using them today. Which word was your favorite? Comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons and tips.